Hi, my name is Dan Patrick, and I'm a senior consultant at TayganPoint Consulting Group. One of the more rewarding things that I've done so far in my career was when I was working for a large pharmaceutical company and helping to bring a new life-saving drug or therapy to market. And this was not just a one-off or a 6-month assignment. It wasn't even a 2 or 3-year assignment. In my tenure at the company, I was involved in this project for about 6 to 8 years or so. And so became involved in the project from the business side, partnering with the scientists to help them understand the business decisions that needed to be made along the way in concert with the very important scientific decisions that needed to be made as the product or project at that point moved through the R&D pipeline. And key to this whole process was actually getting the right people at the table at the right time. And that R&D portfolio review committee concept, it's not just something you read about in the business or scientific press. Actually, companies use these committees and that process very effectively. And so as a product or a project moves through the R&D pipeline, at critical stages when decisions have to be made to proceed with the project based on scientific evidence, based on resource availability, people, dollars, capital, facilities, and the like, that helping the scientists, partnering with them, helping them to understand the language of the business, and also the opportunity cost of proceeding or not proceeding with the project are very, very key. And so as the project moves through the pipeline, obviously there's a lot of excitement building within the organization, and I think it's even more important at that time to remain focused, to remain objective, because the dollars at hand, the decisions it made could be in the hundreds of millions of dollars. And so having that portfolio review committee in place, having people take objective views of the project at hand, while also knowing full well that it's important to get this new drug or therapy out there on the marketplace for patients and their families is very, very key. And it's something that the really good biotech companies, the really top-notch pharmaceutical companies do really well. And it's something that, as I look back on my career so far, very, very, very gratifying to be part of that process. And that is my taken point of view.